Hey there guys, today I wanted to talk about family types and how to create those, and along the way talk about parameters, family parameters, and where you can create those and associate those. So I've got here in my project a pocket door and some supports that I wanted to demonstrate on. You're probably familiar with family types already. Anytime you go into your type selector box here, that is creating or choosing a family type. And again, anytime you go into this edit type, that's editing those family types. And that's doing that in your project. But I wanted to go over how to create those types in the first place. So anytime you load a door in or a window in or whatever, they already have those types, and you can edit those and create those here in your project. But if you're creating a family, then it's nice to be able to create those types for yourself or other people who will be using that family. Just like when you are using a door or a window, it's nice to have those preset different sizes. So I've got here my pocket door, and I've already got it set up with all the types and stuff, but I'll just go in and show you that. So if you go here to ground plan view, you can see that I've got these dimensions and they've got labels and stuff on them, and those are parameters that can be used to create those family types. So if you go here to your family types dialog box, then come down here, and these are all those dimensions that I was talking about that are parameters already, and I can adjust those and assign them to different types. So right now I've already got 3 different types, so I'll show you real quick how to create a type. You just say new type right here. I'll make like a 36 by 84 and change that. Oops. Close that down. Oops. Change the half width to 1.5 feet, and just like you can create them, you can also delete them. So if you have a family type you want to get rid of, you just delete it. Down here you can edit that, edit the parameter, and or create a new parameter and delete the parameter as well. I'll show you more on that with the supports. But anyway, so I've created this 36 by 84, and I've changed the half width dimension to 1.5 feet so that it will be a 36 total. So I just hit apply and OK, and now I've created that type. So if I load it into my project, then if I come here to my pocket door, the properties, then you can see here that I've got that 36 by 84 type. I actually had already done this, and I deleted the 24 by 84, but it's still there, so I don't know what's going on there. But now you can see if I go into my 3D view that I've got that different size there. So that's what it does, is it takes those parameters that I had, I adjust them and make that type, and now it's easy for me to just quickly adjust that family here. I'll show you another example with my support that I have here. This is actually where I really learned about how to make the family types. I was wanting to, so you see here that the support comes into the guardrail and has a plate here, and just the way it comes in doesn't look very good with that plate. And so what I was sorry, I'm getting sick. I was wanting to get rid of that plate, and I wanted to get rid of it on all of them, and I didn't want to go through and select each individual one, unpin it, and turn the plate off, and then or delete the plate or whatever, and have to go through and do that on every single one. So what I decided to do is to just create a family type that didn't have that plate. And so what you can do is right here, it says associate family parameter, and that's the visibility for the plate. So if you click on that, then and this is actually, I already created it, but if it wasn't here, I would just click new parameter and make sure family parameter is selected, and then type. So instance parameter would just make it a little bit different from what I would have had to do originally, but it would still just be every instance, and I would have to go through and select every single one of those plates, and then I could, rather than just deleting the plate, I could just turn the plate off. But again, I would still have to go in and select all of those. But if I put it as the type, then I can associate that into a family type. And so I've already got that created, so I'm not going to create it again. But I'll show you if I go here. Right now I don't have any family types created, so I just hit the new type, and I'll make one without plate. So okay, and I'll turn that plate visibility, leave that plate visibility off, and then I'll create one called with plate, and I can turn that visibility on, apply, okay, and then if I load that into my project, then you can see that those plates are still there. But if I select the, so I could just go in and select each individual thing and change the type. But the nice thing about having that family type is now I can go in through the handrail and say edit type on the handrail, come down here to my supports and select the without plate, and I'll turn off the plate on all supports on that handrail type. So anywhere I have that handrail in my project, the supports, all of the supports on the handrail have the plate turned off. And so that's a lot quicker than going through and selecting each one, unpinning it, and making adjustments. Those are just a few different types of parameters that you can associate in a family and put into family types. You can really make your families customizable and adjustable very easily for your own use or somebody else who is going to put your family into their project. So there's a lot of different things you can do, but just a couple examples, and that's that.